Can you operate a cryptocurrency bot from Backfrap using only Cloud Code? Hi, I'm Alex, the architect for Backfrap, and this is Talking to the Architect. And today we'll be answering Alan Schmidt's question about cryptocurrency bots. Hey Alex, thank you for your videos. Can I make a cryptocurrency bot and run it in Backfrap as Cloud Code? Thank you so much. Adam. Hey Adam, thank you so much for your question. And turns out you can. All you have to do is find a NPM module that operates your exchange, or perhaps create the REST API calls yourself using Cloud Code, and this will allow you to operate a cryptocurrency bot. I noticed that you didn't mention which cryptocurrency exchange you're using on your question, but today I'll be using Binance, which is the largest one in the world. But the process to operating other exchanges is quite the same. All you have to do is find a NPM module that works with your own exchange, or if you don't find any, create the REST API calls that will call the service in your exchange. So the first step is to find a NPM module that fits our needs. So here I am at npmjs.com, and we are going to look for Binance. And here is the Binance NPM module. So all I have to do is to download and install this module in my Cloud Code section. We do that by going to our Cloud Code, Function and Web Hosting, and here inside the Cloud folder, we're going to click a new file and add a file named package.json. The package.json file shows up here, and in here we have a syntax that we must follow. So we're going to open brackets and create a dependencies property in here, which will also have some properties inside. The first one will be the module name, and the second one the module version. So the module name is Binance. I'm going to paste it in here, and you can specify the version that you want in here numerically, but if you want to always use the latest version, all you have to do is put an asterisk in there. Click deploy. This will take a couple of seconds while we download and install everything that you need. So there you go. And now we are going to check the documentation for this module to see how it works. So scrolling down, you see they have a few examples in here. So they start by implementing the module itself, so instantiating the module. Then they will need a API key and secret. These values are created in your Binance account. I won't go through this process today, but it's very well documented in Binance's documentation. If you want to only read values, you should create a specific key, and if you want to really operate your cryptos, you should create the other type of keys, which can lead to some potential risks if someone gets those keys. So I really recommend you create a read-only key to test out your application, all right? Then they will create a client that will implement the API key and API secret, and then they start calling the methods. So let's do that. Here on my main.js file, we will start by instantiating the NPM module. So I'm going to paste that in here. And also I'm going to copy this piece of code where they instantiate the API key and secret with some values. So I'm going to use my key and my secret. Remember, these values should be retrieved from Binance's website, from where you export your keys, all right? Then we will have to implement the client using those values that we just created. So I'm going to paste that in here. And as you can see, they start calling services right away. But most of the times, you need to separate what you're trying to do in Cloud Code functions that will have to manually call every time you need it to be executed, or a cloud job that you can schedule the run and it will run automatically. Today we'll create a cloud job. So back to my dashboard, we're going to implement parse.cloud.job, then give it a job name. So let's find out some good one in here. They're going to get a trade list for BTC USD, so it will get Bitcoin prices in US values, US dollar values. So let's get call this get BTC price. And this will have a request that will arrow function to our code. And once in here, we can just start getting this code in here and paste it in there. So what this will do is it will set up the key pair for coins that we want to retrieve the prices, then have a success block that will print out this message, and an error block that will print out this message. But as a cloud job, I also have to return something, so I will always return true. So we click deploy. There you go. And from here, inside our job section, we have the get BTC price. Of course, if I execute this now, it won't work because I don't have the key and secret created for this example. But from now on, if you try to execute with your own keys, here inside the log section, you should be the results for your cryptocurrency bot. And you can operate pretty much anything that you want that the NPM package allows you to. So if you found this video helpful, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel so you can help us grow. Also, share this video with a friend and they can learn something too. If you're already subscribed, thank you for that. And if you have any questions or suggestions or want to see some implementations like Alan did, please leave it on the comment sections down below. We always answer all the questions. And also, don't miss out our real-time application webinar that we are going to do in a few days. There is a link for subscriptions in the description. It's totally for free and we can learn a lot together. So I hope you liked this video and hope to see you back. See you soon. Bye bye.